guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how I make my silicone beaded keychains. These ones are really simple to make and they don't take as much time as the beaded wristlets do. The materials that you guys will need are of course the beads. So this will be my focal bead. It is just the autism awareness ribbon. So I have that bead, and then I also have my round beads. And I typically do 4 round beads and then 1 focal bead. And then you'll of course need your lighter and the nylon cord. This is the cord that I use. I will also have everything linked in my description, so make sure that you guys go and check that out. You will need the little hook or clasp. I use this tool. This is technically a weeding tool that I use for permanent vinyl, but I just think that this tool is easier for me to use than a needle. But if you want to use a needle, you can. You just need to find a needle that has a bigger hole. And then you will need scissors. The first step is to cut the cord, and I typically do like 6.5 inches. If you are doing more beads, then you will of course need longer than that. And then I just take my lighter and I light the ends to prevent it from fraying. So now that we lit the ends, you want to take your clasp and then just loop it through. So then it will look like that. And now you can put your beads on. So you want to use the one side first and just pull that through, and then this is where I use this tool because it's easier to push through the second time. So now that that's through, you just pull them both and then bring that bead to the top. And then I will do red for my second color, and you kind of just keep on repeating this process until you run out of beads. So the next bead will be my focal bead, and you want to make sure that your focal bead is facing the right way. You don't want it to be upside down, so be careful with that. And I'm kind of making this keychain the same as the one that I showed you before. And you can also add a tassel if you would like at the end. But there's kind of a different step that you need to do in order to add the tassel. So if you guys would like to see a video on how I make the keychains with the tassel, just comment down below and I would be happy to show you guys that as well. So now I put all of the beads on, and this is how it looks. One of the last steps is to tie the knot. So you just take the ends and then tie the knot. And you want to tie it tight, but not too tight to where the beads are doing this. I kind of just played with it a little bit, and then I tie a second knot. just to make sure that the beads won't fall out at the end. So that is what it looks like now, and then I go and I light the end again just to make it hard. And I take my scissors and I just cut the ends and then light those as well. Then you have your keychain. So this video is kind of short just because this process is not as long as the wristlet, but I think that these keychains are so cute, and you can even make them for your kids and they can put it on their book bags and whatnot. So that was the process on how I make my silicone beaded keychains. Like I said before, if you want to see a video on how I add the tassel to it, I would be happy to do that. And I think I'm going to make a Q&A video, so if you have any questions that you want me to answer, I can put those in that video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified for future videos. And I hope you all have a great day.